everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you this nice equation that I want us to solve for the value of x when given x to the power of 4 minus x cubed minus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So what is the value of x? So before we begin, remember to like, subscribe and comment down below. So here is our solution. So we'll begin by rearranging this. So we shall take this and this. So this will be x to the power of 4 plus 1 minus x cubed minus x is equals to 0, right? So in our next step, x to the power of 4 plus 1 is equals to, we shall now bring this to our right hand side. So this will be positive x cubed plus x, right? So in our next step is to divide both sides by x squared. So we shall divide this term here by x squared, this one by x squared, this one by x squared, and this one by x squared. So this divide by this gives us x squared plus, so this will be 1 over x squared is equals to, this divide by this gives us x plus this divide by this gives us 1 over x. Okay, so in our next step we can write this as x plus 1 over x, all this squared, is equals to x plus 1 over x. Okay, so this reminds us of, so this is our a plus this is our b, all this squared. So we are going to use this identity. So this is equals to, we can write it as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So we can express this into this form. So our a here is x, so this will be x squared plus 2, our a is x, and our b is 1 over x plus b squared, which is 1 over x, all this squared, is equals to x plus 1 over x. So this and this will cancel. So to simplify, this will be x squared plus 2 plus, so this squared, this is 1 over x squared, is equals to x plus 1 over x, right? So this we can still write it as, so this will be x plus 1 over x, all this squared, plus 2, so this 2 here is equals to, so this we can still write it as x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2. Okay, so we shall now bring these 2 to our left. So this will be x plus 1 over x, all this squared, then this becomes minus 2 is equals to this one here, x plus 1 over x, right? So in our next step, you can see this and this is common, so we shall therefore say let x plus 1 over x is equals to y. So where there is this, we are substituting it with y. So this becomes y squared minus 2 is equals to, this is y. So let us rearrange this. So this will be y squared minus y minus 2 is equals to 0. So we can solve this quadratic equation. So our sum is this middle term here, -1. Our product is -2. So we look for two numbers. Their sum should give us -1 and their product should give us 2. So these two numbers are -2 and 1. So let us substitute these two numbers in our equation. So this is y squared minus 2y plus y minus this 2 is equals to 0. So our common factor here is y into y squared divided by y, this is y, minus this divided by this is 2, into bracket, our common factor here is 1. So this is plus 1 into y minus 2 is equals to 0. So y minus 2 is common, so y minus 2 into bracket y plus 1 is equals to 0. So we therefore have y minus 2 is equals to 0 and y plus 1 is equals to 0. So y is equals to 2 and y is equals to negative 1. So we have two values of y. So y is equals to 2 or y is equals to negative 1. But earlier on we had said let x plus 1 over x is equals to y. So let us now get the value of x. So x plus 1 over x is equals to y, which is 2, or x plus 1 over x is equals to y, which is negative 1. So let us now get the value of x here by, we are going to multiply both sides by x. So here by x and here by x. So this will give us x squared plus, so this times this is 1 is equals to 2x. So x squared, bring this to our left, so this is minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so this will be x minus 1 into x minus 1 is equals to 0. So their product is equals to 0. So x is equals to x minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 1. So this is the first value of x. So let us get the other value of x. So we have this here. X plus 1 over x is equals to negative 1. So multiply this side by x and multiply this side by x. So this gives us x squared plus this and this will cancel. So this is 1 is equals to minus 1x. So x squared, bring this to the other side. So this is plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is a nice quadratic equation. We can solve it using quadratic formula. So x is equals to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So from this equation of ours, a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, b is equals to 1, and c is equals to 1. So x is equals to negative b, which is negative 1, plus or minus the square root of b squared here, which is 1 squared minus 4, a which is 1, and c which is 1 over 2 times 1. So x is equals to negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 squared is 1 minus 4. So 1 minus 4, this is negative 3 over 2 times 1 is 2. So x is equals to negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 3 times the square root of negative 1 over 2. So x is equals to negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 3, the square root of negative 1, this gives us imaginary, over 2. So from this point, we shall then have two values of x. So our first solution, x is equals to negative 1 plus the square root of 3 imaginary over 2. And the second value of x is equals to negative 1 minus the square root of 3 imaginary over 2. And the final value of x is equals to 1. So this gives us a real solution, and these two are our complex solution. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye bye. See you in my next video.